Hi, my name is Michael Sargeant, and I'm the Sales Director from Everbridge for the Public Safety Division. So two of the fantastic solutions that we are here to show to Intersec is, one is a public warning solution where we help the governments around the world communicate in crises and emergencies that happen. Either it's a natural event or it's a man-made incident. We have solutions that help either through cell broadcast technology, location-based SMS, or integrating with existing communication systems that the government have at hand to quickly disseminate the right information to the people that are in need of this. And a great example of this right now is the country of Iceland, which we've supported since 2019, who use our solutions throughout the current volcanic eruptions, and also evacuating people from the areas and keeping them safe during the events. So in addition to Iceland, we support countries across the whole globe. So throughout every continent, 26 governments are powered by Everbridge public warning systems to help support their mission to keep people safe.